What's going on YouTube? My name is Aaron Kane and I am a member of the OP Graphics and Design Squad, and today we're going to be talking about the best export settings for web. This is to get the best and clearest picture for web application, whether that be Twitter, whether that be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it's for your website, whatever it might be. It's going to be the best quality that you could possibly get through exporting in Photoshop. So let's look at it right here. So right on your screens, you'll see what I created is a Miami Vice style esport-ish thing for Alu, which is Alexei Jolly, I think is how you say his name. He's a Finnish CSGO player for Int Esports, and I don't know, I actually kind of like this header. It's kind of nice, you know, purples, blues, and pinks and whatnot, and desaturation, and it just gives me the Miami Vice feel. So, but that's not the point. What we're going to be talking about is exporting this to the web. So, first and foremost, whatever it doesn't matter what size your canvas is or anything like that, whatever your document might be, it doesn't really matter. What matters is when you actually go to export it. So you finish your project, whatever it might be. It could be a thumbnail, it could be a header, it could be a Facebook cover art, whatever it might be. But you're done with it, everything's good. You want to come up here to File, come down to Export, and then Save for Web. Legacy is what it says now in Photoshop CC. So save for web, or you can just hit Alt, Control, Shift, and S, and that will bring up this. Now you can even see right here, it doesn't look that great. It looks very pixelated. It looks sort of like garbage, honestly. But there's a lot of features here in this save for web thing that a lot of people don't think about, and you really want to look. You want to start looking right here. We're at Optimized, okay? We're in the Optimized tab. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're in Optimized. We're going to come down to the bottom of the picture. Now, right below it is this percentage thing right here with a minus and a plus button on the left side of it. If we go ahead and hit that minus button until we hit about 6.3%, it's going to make this look extremely small. Like, why am I going to save it that small? Well, you're not, okay? You're not. Don't worry about it. You're going to see what's going to happen. So go ahead and lower that to 6.3%, and then up here at the tabs, go from Optimize over to Original, okay? Then, once you're on Original, you want to come over here to the right side of the little viewing panel, and for the preset, you want to make sure you're on PNG 24, and then PNG 24 for the sub preset thing. Make sure transparency is checked, interlace, embed color profile unchecked. Don't worry about matte color. You're not going to be able to select anything anyways. Then you're going to come down here. Convert to sRGB is going to be checked, and then you're going on the preview. You want to hit Legacy Macintosh. Okay? A lot of people come standard with monitor color, and you can see how it changes just a little bit. It looks a little brighter when you hit Legacy Macintosh. Okay? So make sure that you put Legacy Macintosh right here on the preview. Metadata, make sure copyright and contact info is selected. That's just metadata stuff. And then coming down here to image size, you want to make sure that your image size is appropriate for whatever the document is that you're saving. Okay? Percent at 100, and then right here the quality, there's nearest neighbor, bilinear, bicubic smoother, and bicubic sharper. Okay? What we want to do is bicubic smoother. Bicubic smoother. Okay? So those are the settings that we're going to use for export, and that's going to give you the highest quality, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen when you use these settings. So let's run through them again real fast. So Optimize, we're going to bring it down to 6.3%. Okay? After we do that, we're going to come over here, we're going to hit Original, and we're going to make sure that our preset is at PNG 24, transparency is checked, interlace and embed color profile unchecked. Convert to sRGB is checked. The preview color is going to be Legacy Macintosh. Metadata is copyright and contact info. And then we're going to come down here. Image size is appropriate for your document, 100%, and the quality is going to be at bicubic smoother. Okay, there we go. That's a lot. It's a lot, but it's worth it. So you go ahead and save. Find wherever you want to save at. We're going to save over this thing, whatever it is. And there we go. We're going to let it save. blah, blah, blah. It's going to stop. So it looks pretty good here. But let's say we're going to zoom in past 100% right to here. Okay. This is what I want you to see. So this is still in Photoshop. And this is what happens with raster images. Okay. Is that they get pixelated when you zoom in past the 100% digital size. Okay. You get stuff like this. It doesn't look very good. But if we come out here to our desktop where we saved our header, okay, we're going to open it up. It looks the same as it did on Photoshop. However, when we zoom in, I want to say about there, the pixelation along the edges is nowhere near as pixelated as it was. It's still a raster image, so eventually it's going to pixelate. As you can see, once we're all the way zoomed in, if we zoomed in even more, it would pixelate even more. But right now, it's still giving us pretty decent lineage and whatnot without too bad of pixelation. So, and then your document is still saved at 3000 by 1000 pixels. So there you go. Those are the best export settings. Best export settings. Hands down, your money back. Promise. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, make sure you leave a like on the video. Okay, please consider subscribing to the video. I thank you very much for watching. And, did I say subscribe to the video? Dude, subscribe to the channel. Okay, leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you watching the video. It means a whole lot to me. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.